This one feature inside MyDesigns is one of many great reasons to use it for your print-on-demand business. It's called multi-product publishing. So instead of creating listings one by one, it lets you stack 4, 5, and even more MyDesigns and Printify products into a single consolidated listing that's also fully personalizable. This is the exact system I'm going to show you today to offer framed and unframed posters through Printify without having to create several product listings. If you want to scale your print-on-demand shop, you need to understand this. So let's dive in and I'll show you how easy I made this workflow for you. All right, let's jump right in. So I'm over on MyDesigns, I'm on the listings page, and I created a folder. In the demo folder, I just named it family name posters. I'm gonna open that folder, and I went ahead and created 2 designs. What's really important about these designs is they're built in our Canvas editor. So you see this little edit icon here, and you can find Canvas right here. So if I click into this, you can see this is built, all it is text. So these are different text, different fonts to create this family name sign or poster. So this is really cool because every one of these, you can see the font is farmhouse here. This is actually a monogram font. So let me show you what I mean by that. If I go C, go D, E, etc., you can see that it is adjusting and it keeps this exact same area in here where I could put the last name for the family. And if you click into this, this is just our rich text. I added rich text. I added the text and I warped it. So you can go distort here. I'm using freeform. If I hit edit distort, you can see that I can adjust how this text appears. So you can do curved text, freeform, free line, wave, etc., and flag, and you have full control over that text layer. And what's great about that, I'm going to actually just click out of that. I can click into this, and you can see no matter what the name is, let's go with some other name, you can adjust it and then make those changes really quickly. And the reason I'm showing you that is because you can do that on the orders page in MyDesigns if you save that as a editable design from our Canvas editor. So let me just show you an example. I'm just going to put some test text here. We'll just leave it like that. So if I go save to collection, save as editable, give it a name, then that will be an editable design that I can edit on the orders page and personalize with the customer's details. So I wanted to touch on that quickly. So going back to listing, now I just have 2 examples here, and you're gonna see how fast this is to publish because I've created publishing profiles that include mockups, pricing, video mockups, and obviously all the different multi-product combinations. So it takes all the complexity out of creating this listing and makes it where it's almost one click for you. It's so easy. So I did want to show a little bit of demand here. So I was browsing Etsy the other day and my brother Matthew sent this over to me, this particular listing. It's a bestseller. It's absolutely crushing it in 20+ carts. Pricing's pretty good. They offer free shipping. We're going to do the same, and I'll show you that later. But it's just a really good listing that's absolutely crushing it. But to create this particular design in our Canvas editor is so easy. It takes just a couple minutes, if even. So everything's here. You got the personalization message, obviously. So I wanted to show you that first. And now I want to also go over to this particular shop. 237,000 sales. They've been on Etsy for a long time, but they're crushing it. So let me show you this shop here. It's sorted by monthly sales right here. So this is that listing. 305 sales over the last 30 days. 23,002 sales from the beginning of this listing. Monthly revenue is nearly $15,000, and overall revenue from this one single listing is $1.1 million. So they're obviously crushing it, and I'm going to show you how to create your own designs, publish them, take all the complexity out of that, so that you can easily do that through MyDesigns. So now with that being said, let's go back over to MyDesigns. Now that I have my 2 designs, if you're following along, you can create these in the Canvas editor. The base dimensions are 6,000 by 9,000 pixels. And just to show you that again, you can go up to template, custom size, 6,000 by 9,000. And I'm really designing these for vertical posters, but they can also work on horizontal. But you just create that, make your your background transparent. Go add your text layers, you can upload fonts and whatnot, and then save it and make sure you save it as editable. So when that's done, you'd be right here where I'm at. So now if you're following along, I'm gonna select these 2 designs. I got another one down here, it's just much simpler. It's more of like a person. This is more like a family sign. So I got these 2 here. Now let's go to the next step. This is so easy. So I don't need to input data. I don't need to generate mockups. I'm just gonna grab those, go publish. Now under print on demand, or actually under public profiles, click this. And you're going to look for the poster combination that I made you. You can see we have quite a few public profiles here covering popular product types. So you can also search this, but I wanted to show you how you can find it right here. Frame posters and matte posters. So in this publishing profile, I included the vertical frame poster, the horizontal frame poster, and also the matte vertical posters and the matte horizontal posters. That way you have 4 products under one listing, everything done for you. If I click show all products, you can see out here you also have the horizontal one. And this is all through Printify using 𝐶𝐸. So it's all the same printer, which is great. So all you have to do is click load profile. And depending on the amount of designs you have, it could take upwards of 15 seconds, maybe a little longer, but this is already almost done. And it'll have everything, I mean everything, pre-populated, all the settings adjusted for you, exactly how you want. So you can see it's generating all my mockups here. Let's see, we're under the frame vertical poster here. So this is how multi-product publishing works. You got the horizontal poster, you got the matte vertical poster, and then if I scroll over, you'll see I have the matte horizontal poster. So 4 different product types, 1 listing, all the complexity taken completely out of it. And we're using Printify to fulfill these products. If you link your Printify account with MyDesigns, you can go publish these. When an order comes in, it's going to go into MyDesigns. If it's personalized, you'll make the changes and approve it. It'll push it right to your own Printify account and they'll fulfill it. And everything's completely automated. So you can look how beautiful these look. Let's just browse through these mockups. Show the different frames there. So these are the framed ones. This here, and then also this is just a plain matte vertical poster, and this is the matte horizontal poster. For whatever reason, that one doesn't have the mockup. Not sure why. Let's go over to the next listing because we're doing this for 2 listings at a time. But you can see it's really, really nice. And down here, auto generate video mockup. It's going to create a video mockup for you automatically too. When you publish, you don't have to worry about any of that. So I want to go see what's going on with that horizontal poster here real quick. Seems that one of the mockups, I'm not sure why. Oh, maybe it is still generating there. Might have just taken a moment. But yeah, you have all the mockups done for you for this entire listing. There we go. And it's good to go. So I'm gonna go back to the first one. And on this step, I selected the popular size. I didn't want to select everything. You don't want to have too many options. Otherwise it confuses the customer. And at this point, you're ready to go. So I'm gonna go to the next step, populate data. You can either enter your listing data here manually for the 2 listings, or just use Vision AI. And to keep this simple, I'm just gonna I'll give some custom instructions and then say these are family. Please include this in the title and tags. And let's see how that goes. So I'm gonna put this on the MD 2.5 model. You can see posters, everything's already here. So just generate data, run Vision AI. It'll take into account all the products we have, so adds the product details to the description. So easy. So we'll give that a minute to finish up, and just doing that for 2 listings at a time. I'm not sure why that hasn't populated yet. Maybe we only did 1 there. I think we only did 1 listing somehow. But basically you do that and then you can populate it. Let me go back to this one and try it again. Maybe I untoggled something there. 2.5. We'll just leave this as is. We'll run that. Let's see what happens there. Oh, I do have both of them toggled here, so it should generate listing data for both. There we go. So we got the listing data now. I think I might have accidentally untoggled one of those, but yeah, you can see there. This one says Ella, but I'd probably just say person or some custom name poster. You can also make those quick changes. You don't need the E in there, right? And if I give better custom instructions, you'll do a better job of that. But you can always modify this later on Etsy. But to keep this video short, I'm just going to run through it. So I'm going to leave that as is. Now, if you come to this page, this is the pricing page. We've already renamed all the variants. So you got frame vertical posters. Come over here, framed horizontal posters, matte vertical posters, and matte horizontal posters for all 4 of these products. It's really, really nice. All the pricing's built in, and I built it in for you. So if you're running a 50% discount on these products on Etsy, your profit margins are going to range from, on the frame posters, $12 to $30, and on the actual matte posters, it'll be, I think, between 7 to like 18 or 19. So pretty good margins there. You can always adjust this if you like, but I want to keep it simple. So let's go to the next step. Didn't have to make any changes there. Now you can see all the details here. So if I come over here, Etsy, this is the store you're publishing it to. The category is already pre-selected. I have it under signs, home decor, wall hanging signs. And then you could adjust these settings based on what you have in your Etsy shop. Obviously, you want to do another company or person, but you need to make sure that you have 𝐶𝐸 added to your Etsy shop to choose it. So I'm going to leave it as is. You can see the print partner, the different products, colors for that particular one. And we even have the personalization field pre-populated. Now, that's not going to work for all of those listings, so you want to keep that into account. So if I want to rotate through these, you can actually adjust this. What you can do is choose it from a field, and that's what I probably should have done, but you can take it from a field from your collection. But I'm going to turn that off, and I'll just make the changes to the personalization message on Etsy, and then that'll come into this particular listing. But from here, you can just publish, give that a moment, queues all of these background tasks up where it generates all the mockups, and it generates the video mockups, sets up all the listings on Etsy. It's fully streamlined, a really quick hack, a really quick way for you to go and publish high quality, complex products in literally seconds or minutes. So when that's done, It's under jobs. We'll move over to the Etsy shop and I will show you what that looks like. All right, so that is done. It took about 2 minutes. So let's move over to Etsy. I'm gonna go to the draft here and refresh. And there you go. There are our products. So I'm gonna publish one of these. I'll actually publish this one here and show you what that looks like. And there's one more thing I want you to do on these particular listings too, because we're offering free shipping. We price that in so that you're not losing money there, but also removing other territories, because the shipping for posters, frame posters, gets to be, that's such a wide range, it's hard to gauge the profits. When you're doing multi-product publishing, I just recommend offering free shipping and then price it into the product itself. So you look at this, got all our mockups, the video mockup, all the data is here. Here's our personalization message. You can adjust that as needed. Let's keep going. Got all different variants set up. And what I wanted to show you, because of the shipping, I'm gonna go change this, just edit it. And I'm going to remove Australia, Canada, and everywhere else. Leave the United States, and what we're going to do is just offer free shipping here. So I think there's an option here to adjust this to free shipping. Actually, it might just be the profile itself. Here we go, free shipping. So there you go, and then just save that. Now it's applied to this listing, and everything should be good to go. You need to apply your policy. I'll just go with the default one, but normally you don't accept returns on these type of products. So I could publish those changes. Now let's go take a look on the Etsy side. Should be able to find that here. Here it is. See, free shipping, $43.98, because and again, I'm not running my 50% off discount, because the good thing about this too is you have the other posters that aren't nearly expensive because they're not framed. But on the Etsy search results, it's going to show the lowest price from your variants. But this I want to show you here. Under size, got the frame vertical poster, got the horizontal poster, got the matte vertical poster, matte horizontal poster. So we have 4 different products that your customer can choose from. There's different colors. The matte's only going to apply to the posters, but these colors will apply to, you know, the framed color of the frame here. And then your personalization message. So what's really cool about this, they choose the exact product they want. They give you the personalization details. That order comes over to MyDesigns, and because you made it an editable design in Canvas, it'll show you the personalization message on the order itself inside Canvas. You can just copy paste, adjust those text layers, and then save it. It creates the new print file, creates a new mockup for you. Then you approve it, sends it off to Printify, and that's the full process. Couldn't be easier. You can do this in bulk. If you're on Starter, you can do it for 24 listings at a time. If you're on Pro, you can do it for 48 listings at a time. And Pro Plus, for power sellers, you can do it for up to 120 listings at a time. But that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it and want to see more like it, let me know by leaving a comment below. We'll talk soon.